In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 3G expenses. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. Let me start this. Before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment we have 16, 17, 18. We have 18 points. Last one is a non-graded one. Means 17 points are in graded form. So in today's video we will discuss Excel 3G expenses. Here is project descriptions. In the following project you will edit a worksheet that will be used to summarize the operation cost for recreations department. Okay, so that was simply description about today project. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. In first question we have to open Excel workbook. That name is student at the rate Excel 3G expenses that we have a download from Pearson platform. So we have to first download. We have to just open Excel sheet. Then so first part is done. Now we are moving toward the next part. In the expenses worksheet, calculate a row total of each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Where is F5? Okay, here is F5. F5 to F9. We have to add them. Okay. Then calculate column totals for each quarter of annual total row in B5 to B10 to BF10. Here is okay. So we have to find this one and this one. So first we have to find F5. So we have to use formula there equal then sum. Then simply select this range and press enter. Get result. Now we have to drag this one to there. Then we have to move toward there B10 and write equal then sum. Then we have to select this range, close parentheses, press enter and get result. Now simply drag this one toward this one. Okay. So question number 1 half is done. Okay. Be sure F6 to F10 are formulated with comma style with a 0 decimal place. Where is F6 to F9? F6 to F9 are formulated with comma style with a 0 decimal place. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 there are 3 parts. Okay, we have done each and every part and we have earned 4 marks. In question number 2, first we have to move toward expenses worksheet. Then there we have to calculate row totals for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Then we have to calculate column totals for each quarter and for annual total in the range B10 to F10. After calculating them, then we have to make sure that F6 to F9 are formulated with comma style and a 0 decimal. We have done and we get this answer. Okay. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In cell G5, construct a formula to calculate percent of total. Okay, here we have to find percent of total in cell G5. Now what we have to do, we have to dividing the annual total for salaries and benefit by annual total for all quarters. Okay, so now we have to divide annual salary for this one, divide by all this one. Then use absolute cell reference as necessary. Now we have to make sure this one is absolute. Then simply press enter and get the result. Then a result must be in percent style, then center. That must be in percent style, must be in center. Okay. Then fill formula down through G9. Okay, so question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, we have earned 9 marks from there. Okay, in question number 3, we just move towards cell G5, and there we have to construct a formula to calculate the percent of total by dividing the annual total for salaries and benefits by annual total for all quarters. After that, then we have to use absolute cell reference as necessary, then format the result in percent style, then center, then fill formula down through cell G9. So question number 9 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Use a 3D pie chart, the annual total in column F for each atoms. So now we have to use 3D pie chart, the annual total in column F. Okay, here. So we have to use on this one, this column, then hold on control key, then use this column. Okay, now we have to create 3D pie chart. So insert 3D pie chart, then move chart to a new sheet. The name of new sheet is annual expenses chart. We copy this one. Now we have to select this, then there is chart, then there is move chart option, new sheet, and there paste, and simply press OK. Done. So question number 4 is done. Question number 4 is have 7 points. So we have on 7 points after solving question number 4. What we have done in question number 4, we just use a 3D pie chart to chart the annual total in column F for each atom. So that's why we just select two columns, column E and column F. Okay, by hold on control key, then move the chart to a new sheet and then name the sheet annual expenses chart. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving to question number 5. As the text for the chart title element, now we have to type summary of annual expenses as a chart title. So we just copy this one from here, then paste that one, that is our chart title. Then change the font size 28. Now we have to change the font size, so we have to select Ctrl E, then make that 28. Okay, done. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to change, just like we have to text the chart title element and then type summary of annual expenses as a chart title, then change the font size to 28 point. So after solving question number 5, we have earned 4 marks from there. So till now we have done first 5 questions. Now we are moving to our question number 6. Remove the legend from chart. Now we have to remove the legend. Select this one. There is a legend. Or remove that one. Okay. Then add data labels formulated so that only category name and percentage display position in center. Data labels. Then we have to display category name and percentage and position them in center. Okay. Then format the data labels by applying font style bold. Now we have to apply their bold font style. Then italic, then italic, and then font size 12 point. Now we have to change font to 12 point. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to remove the legend from the chart. Then in next word, we have to add data labels formulated so that only category name and percentage display position in the center. Then in next word, we have to format the data labels by applying a font style of bold and italic and font size 12. So after solving question number 6, we have earned 10 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. Format the data series using 3D format effect. Then change the top bevel and bottom bevel under bevel in first row. Apply first bevel effect. Then set top bevel width and height to 50 point, and then set bottom bevel width and height to 56 point. So in this way we will solve question number 6 and we will learn 7 marks. So till now we have solved almost half of assignment. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 3G expenses. In start we just discussed project description. After that then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then in question number 2 we just move there and we just move toward expenses sheet, and there we have to calculate the totals for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9, and next is B10 to F10. After that then we have to formulate F5, F6 to F9 as comma style with a 0 decimal. Then in question number 3 we have to move towards cell G5 and then construct a formula to calculate percent of total by dividing annual total for salaries and benefit by annual total for all quarter. Use absolute or reference as necessary, then format the result in percent style and then center fill formula down through cell G9. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to create 3D pie chart by using column A and column F. Then in question number 5, as the text of the chart we have to in chart title the name, we have to for chart title we have to in summary of annual expenses. Then in question number 6 we have to remove the legend from the chart. Then add data labels formulated so that only the category name and percentage display position in the center. Then format the data labels by applying font style of bold and italic and font size of 12. Same way we have solved part 7 also. Okay. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. Here you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100% in overall course. Or remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable, and it's my promise. It's my guarantee that whatever I'm just going to speak, it's 100% correct. Okay. So in today's video, we have discussed Excel 3G expenses. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from our side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.